Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the new Beats Studio Buds, but before I do so, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and let's get started. So I got the three colors. So I got the black and the white and the red one. It just came out a couple days ago. Let's start by unboxing the new black one. These buds comes with noise cancelling and transparency mode. We're gonna test them later, so let's unbox the first one, the black one, and let's see how it looks like. So this is the black one. As you guys can see, it comes with some stuff right here, and there's nothing there. So this is the black one. This is how it looks like. Matte black. Amazing quality, actually, no complaints. I tested them at the store earlier. The sounds is amazing. Anyways, this is the black one. What comes inside the box? Cable, USB-C Type-C cable, plus large and small size ear tips. So we got the black one first. Let's go with the white one second. Let's open it. Let's get the white one. That's the white one right here. So it'll look like matte white. I think hopefully it looks clear to you guys. And by the way, I forgot to mention what's inside the box beside the USB-C Type-C cable and the ear tips. It comes with instruction manuals here. What else? As you guys can see. Right now, let's open the red one and see how it looks like. So we got the red, whatever inside the box is similar. Here you go. That's the red one. By the way, this is different than the AirPods Pro. You can click it actually to move forward or backward when it comes to songs. So these are the three colors that come with. Let's first talk about the price. The price of them is $149. If you compare them to the AirPods Pro, $249, or the Beats Pro, $249. These are cheaper, $100 cheaper. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know if it's worth buying them over the AirPods Pro. Let's talk about the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth on them is 5.2 class 1, and that will allow you to pair it with your phone or your Android with literally one click. That will connect really quick. For Android, you'll need the app. For the iPhone, you will literally just open them, 1, 2, and within 2 seconds, you can connect them to your iPhone. And if you go, you guys can see right here, it has noise cancellation and transparency mode, similar to the AirPods. Plus, when you go to setting, Bluetooth, and you click on them right here, you can control the left pods and the right pods. You know, let's say you click them twice, you activate Siri, you activate whatever you want. It's a nice feature to have. Right now, let's listen to some music, and I'll let you know how I feel about it. Oh, no questions, they're way better than the AirPods Pro. When it comes to the bass on them is way better than the AirPods Pro and the Beats Pro, no question. And when it comes to noise cancellation, I'm gonna play some video right now and I'll let you know how I feel about it. See?
Such as Binance is getting shut down or banned in the United Kingdom. They look a lot like this. Binance crypto exchange ordered to cease UK activities. And in the Financial Times, we even see headlines or sections of the Financial Times that say...
Yeah, noise cancelling is not as good as the AirPods Pro. I admit it, it's not as good. Close enough, not bad at all. I'll give it like, if I give the AirPods Pro 10, I'll give these 8. They're not bad, but they're not as good as the AirPods Pro. I just talked to one of my friends, and he let me know he can hear me clearly, so the microphone is just fine. I think it's actually similar to the AirPods Pro, so I'm not gonna compare them when it comes to that. They are rated IPX4, so they will protect from splashing water no matter what direction, and also dust resistance as well. Right now, let's shake it, see if it fall off. No, they're not falling off. Let me put them in my ears and test them as well. I'm shaking my head right now, and they're not moving at all, so I'll give them a go. They're pretty good. Actually, my AirPods, when I shake my head, they fall off, especially the left one, for some reason. These are good so far. Right now, let's test the latency. Let's see if it's gonna be bad in here. Let's watch any video. Let's see this guy. Yeah, there is no latency. It's similar to the AirPods Pro. There is no complaints when it comes to that. The Beats Studio Bud will support fast charging. 5 minutes will give you an hour of charging. When it's fully charged, it's 8 hours. It will last for 8 hours, and then you can charge them twice, up to 24 hours. If you're using noise canceling, it will actually last you about 15 hours. So 5 hours, and then you charge them a couple times. So in total, 15 hours. That's not really bad. That's really good. And also they support fast charging, as I said. 5 minutes will give you an hour of charging without noise cancelling. With noise cancelling, 45 minutes charging. So the difference between them and the AirPods Pro, they don't have audio sharing similar to the AirPods Pro. Plus, they will not be connected to iCloud similar to the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro, let's say you connect it to your phone, you'll be able to find them in your iPad, iMac, MacBook Pro. No issues, just start using them close to your device, and then they will turn on by themselves. With the Beats Studio Buds, you will have to connect them each time you want to use a new device. So that's kind of pain in the butt, but it's not a big deal to me. To be honest, I'm surprised that Apple made something that's similar to the AirPods Pro for cheaper price. I mean, when it comes to the size, you see, they are bigger a little bit than the AirPods Pro. So how would they rank if I compare them to these three? They're actually pretty much the same. However, these have a better bass. Like the bass on these one is just different. It's way different than the other ones. So I would actually start using them from now on more than my AirPods Pro and more than my Powerbeats Pro. Yeah, I just love the sound. I love the sound. I love how they feel in my ears. So I'm just gonna start using them for about a month or two and see if it change my mind. I'll let you guys know, but for now they rank better. I love them all. Hope you guys like this video. I know it was quick. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video.